Welcome to Computex 2024. This is our first year here. Super excited to show you guys around. Let's go ahead and look at some cool tech.
I've been getting out of bed.
Today we're starting off with Cooler Master and we're at their booth. So let's go ahead and take a look around.
Quit ordering from all those fast food chains. I'm feeling better, there's no doubt about it. And my days are brighter, my shoulders are...
One of the most exciting cases here at Computex is this BTF GPU concept case from Cooler Master. The reason for this is they were able to fit a 4090 and probably one of the smallest cases I've seen. And this is actually all thanks to a special connector. The BTF connector, working in collaboration with ASUS, they were able to convert it to a 12 plus 4 pin connector, which is super cool. And it's really cool because if you actually twist this, you can actually pull the GPU out just like that, and you can see the connector that they're using, and it basically sits on this flat base with the actual PCIe connector as well as the BTF connector. It is really impressive and something I'm a huge fan of here at Computex. I just found my next monitor. This is Cooler Master's. This is their GP57ZS monitor. It's a dual 4K panel, 57 inches. The curve on this thing is incredible and it looks absolutely beautiful. This is gonna be awesome for multitasking. And I think I might have to pick one of these up for my office. But let me know what you guys think. We're at the Patriot booth here at Computex 2024. Let's go ahead and take a look around. Something I'm super interested in is basically their iLux lineup of products. Basically, Patriot's taking their expertise and information that they've gathered over the years in working with SSD controllers, DRAM controllers, and bringing it to products for iPhones. A couple of their products, one of the ones are their Cube series. These are basically USB flash drives, one that runs over Type-C, one that runs over USB. Well, what's cool about them is that basically you plug your phone in, so you plug this into the wall, then you plug your phone in here. What this will do is if you run their software through the app, it will offload all of your footage or all your camera footage, whatever you've captured over the day, onto this at night, so you don't have to do it yourself, which is great to go ahead and avoid something like iCloud, and it's definitely something I'm super interested in eventually having. And then they also have two other drives. These are going to be portable SSDs for iOS. These are going to be perfect for if you're going to be shooting something, you're going to be shooting one of the higher resolutions that were now available on iOS these days, and you can have a smaller one as well. But the one I'm excited about is a MagSafe drive that they're showing off. This is their studio drive. Basically how it's gonna work is you're gonna be able to go ahead and slap your phone on here, and then you can go ahead and plug it into the bottom of your iPhone and allow you to still get the fast storage capability, and you can record directly to it. And it's got power pass-through. It's all rated MFI certified, so you're going to be able to do this. You're not going to worry about any kind of incompatibilities that you may see with some other products out there on the market. It's definitely a really cool product, and I can't wait to get my hands on this as soon as it's available. One more thing I didn't even realize, I was just told, is basically the iLux Locate. That's what this is called. And because the Locate name, basically it's got a Find My module built into it, meaning that you can basically locate this kind of like an AirTag, so you don't have to worry about losing your storage either. It's going to make it super handy to find it. And it's something that I don't think any other portable SSD currently has, and I'm super excited to have on hand. This is InWin Infinite, and it's one of their new Signature Series cases. And this one is quite special. They always show off something super cool at Computex. And what they did this year is a case that actually moves and opens up completely, so you can actually access all your components. This is designed with a back connect motherboard. This is the BTF board from ASUS. And what it does is it actually closes back up. One of the things they were really showing off is that they are able to do this tempered glass with a full 180-degree bend, and this thing just looks incredible. It's all made out of aluminum, like a lot of other really high-end M1 cases, and it is truly something special.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
ever seen a PC build that can actually dispense beer? That's something super unique you only see here at Computex. Deepcool showing off some really cool hardware here at Computex. One of the things is their new Assassin 4. This is their VC Vision version. And basically what it is, it's the same Assassin 4S that you've been seeing probably before. It's a really popular cooler. Well, basically what they did is they added an LCD on top. So this is a working module, but basically it's a modular interface, just pops right off. And one thing I really appreciate, they're kind of going the same approach of something like server fans, where you basically can slide the fan right out from the center, snap it into place, and then snap on your little LCD panel. And you can see that on this one right here. If I pull it off, it stops. You can snap it back on, it just starts right back up. No delay or anything like that that you see with a lot of other displays that you get on these types of coolers. They also really focus on adding vapor chambers. As you guys can see, this is a cut down version of it without the fans and all the extra stuff. And you can see the really cool design that they have put into that, as well as when they created that vapor chamber area to go ahead and add for some additional cooling. They're saying that this cooler should be able to do up to 300 watts of dissipation, which if that's true, that is really awesome to see.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
This might just be one of the most unique PC cases here at Computex. It's a cylinder, kind of looks like a cryo chamber with a rounded front, giving you that super open view of your components. Definitely something super unique, and it's by Alzai, who you've probably seen some of videos I've done in the past, where they have some super unique fans as well. But this is definitely something you don't see every day, and it's really cool. And that wraps our coverage of Computex Day 1 for 2024. Super excited to go ahead and come back tomorrow. We got a lot of companies to meet with, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.